expert.
We have here Jerick Metra, Opo Gabriel, Clark Balisa, David Malgapo, David Viterbo, Zan Mamariel, Nonoy Fernandez, and Kiram Magbual.
Heading Jerick Metra.
On the lead, that master Jerick Metra from 8-7 Racing, followed by Baby Aguilar of Moto Philippines. On third, Yamaha Moto Philippine Rider 77, Opo Gabriel, followed by Clark Walisa, David Viterbo, and David Malgapo from RS8 to One Beat Factory. We also have Zan Mamariel from Amsel Philippines, Nonoy Fernandez from Iloilo, and Kiram Magbual from Banguet Abra.
Master Jerick Metra pa rin ang leading, followed by McLean Aguilar.
Back onto the stretch section, that is still 87. Jerick Metra, final for second, McLean Aguilar, and Opo Gabriel. We also have Clark Galisa. Then we have David Viterbo, David Malgapo, and Zan Mamariel.
Clark Walisa, pang-apat na.
Looks like we have a battle for second between two motor riders, McLean Aguilar and Opo Gabriel. Meanwhile, on fourth we have Clark Walisa, followed by David Viterbo. Then we also have David Malgapo, Zan Mamariel, and Nonoy Fernandez. Jerick Metra, followed by McLean Aguilar and Opo Gabriel on the battle for second. On fourth position, Clark Walisa, followed by David Viterbo, David Malgapo, and Zan Mamariel. We also have here checking in, Kiram Magbual.
This is 15 laps.
Here we go, once again, 87, Jerick Metra from 8-7 Racing, followed by McLean Aguilar of Moto Philippines. On third, we have Opo Gabriel from Yamaha Moto Philippines. On fourth, Clark Walisa, Bike 23, 827, David Viterbo. Then we have David Malgapo from RS8, Zan Mamariel from Amsoil, then Nonoy Fernandez from Iloilo, followed by 99, Kiram Magbual. David Malgapo, Zan Mamariel, on the battle for fifth position. 15 laps, 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 15 Clark Walisa, followed by David Viterbo. David Malgapo and Zana Marilo on the battle for fifth. We now have a change in position. Looks like Opo Gabriel overtaking. McLean Aguilar is now down to third position. Jerick Metra maintains the first position lead. Ompong is now up to second. McLean is on third, followed by Clark Walisa. On fifth, we have David Viterbo and David Malgapo and Zan Mamaril on the battle for fifth. Still at it, our race leader, the owner of 87 Racing, Jerick Metra, followed by Opo Gabriel from Yamaha Motul Philippines. On third from Motul Philippines is McLean Aguilar. On fourth, we have Clark Gualisa on board 23 bike. Then we have on fifth position, that is David Viterbo from Enduro Factory. Then we have David Magapo from RS8 and Jan Mamaril from Hansoil. Checking in from Banggen Abra is Kiram Magwal. 5 more laps to go and still Jerick Metra leads the race, followed by Opo Gabriel, McLean Aguilar on third, Clark Gualisa on fourth, David Viterbo on fifth. On sixth, we have our Isabela riders, David Magapo and San Mamaril. Checking in, we also have Kiram Magwal from Banggen Abra and Nonoy Fernandez from Iloilo. Four more to go. This is the expert class here at Narvacan Monoclash 2025. Once again, Jerick Metra leads the race, followed by Opo Gabriel. On third is McLean Aguilar. On fourth, Clark Gualisa. On fifth, we have David Viterbo. Coming in on sixth, we have David Magapo, San Mamaril, and Kiram Magwal. To go for Jerick Metra, followed by Ompong Gabriel. On third, on the battle, we have McLean Aguilar and Clark Gualisa, followed by David Viterbo. Looks like we have a change in position. Clark Gualisa now on third, McLean Aguilar on fourth. On fifth, David Viterbo, followed by David Malgapo, Zan Mamaril, and Kiram Magwal. Checking in, we also have Nonoy Fernandez of Iloilo. Here we go! Once again, Jerick Metra, Opo Gabriel, Clark Gualisa, McLean Aguilar. Checking in on fifth, we have David Viterbo. We also have here David Magapo, followed by Kiram Magwal, Zan Mamaril, and Nonoy Fernandez. we have Jerick Metra on the rollers, followed by Opong Gabriel, bike 77. On third is rider number 23, Clark Walisa. On fourth, McLean Aguilar, followed by David Vizerbo. And on sixth, we have David Malgapo, followed by Ram Magpual, Zango Maril, and Nonoy Fernandez.
Ano na, Master Jerick Metra.
Checkered flag for 87 Racing, Jerick Metra, followed by 77 of Motul Yamaha Philippines, Opong Gabriel. On third, we have rider 23, Clark Walisa, followed by Motul Philippines, McLean Aguilar. We also have here on fifth, Enduro Factory rider, David Viterbo, followed by David Malgapo.